Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I make my special sea moss gel and oil pre-poo mixture. I recently did a video showing you how I pre-poo my hair with a special sea moss gel and oil mixture along with aloe vera gel. If you have not seen that video, I will put a link to it in the description box below. But some of you commented that you wanted to see me do a detailed video on how I make my sea moss gel and oil mixture, so here we go. Okay, first you're going to boil some water and then you're going to pour 3/4 cup of that boiling water into a measuring glass. Next you're going to take 1 cup of sea moss gel. Now I have some already prepared, and if you do not know how to make sea moss gel, I will link that video in the description box below. You can see my sea moss gel is thick and it has a lot of slip, and my hair loves it. So you're going to take your 1 cup of sea moss gel and add it to your hot water. Then take a spoon and give it a good stir. The consistency should be very soupy. Now it's time to add my oils, and I'm going to be using 3. First is sweet almond oil, and I'm going to use 2 tablespoons. Two tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. One tablespoon of coconut oil. Make sure you mix it well so all of the coconut oil dissolves. And for the last step, I'm adding just a few drops of peppermint oil, but you can use whatever essential oil you like, but just make sure you only add a few drops. And then finally, make sure you mix everything together really well. Your mixture should be a little bit thicker, but still it will have a soupy consistency. And now just add your mixture to your spray bottle. Now make sure it has cooled down somewhat. It can still be warm, but you don't want it to be hot. And this is what my mixture looks like when I spray it. I don't know how to explain it, but this is the consistency that you want. And that is it, guys. Your sea moss and oil pre-poo mixture is ready to use. You want to use it while it's still warm, especially if your hair is low porosity like mine. That way, all that liquid gold will just soak up into those hair strands. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please push that like button. It really helps my channel out a lot. And if you are not already subscribed to my channel and you like videos like this, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss another one of my uploads, and make sure you also click that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.